So in this Apple Pages tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to export as a Word document here on the Pages iPhone application. So once Pages is opened up and you have your document, I will just type in Word doc right here. If you wanted to save this Pages file as a Word doc on your phone, go to the top right, press on the three dots, and where it says export, two options down, select that. And the second option down it says Word, simply go ahead and select that. Now what that's going to be doing is exporting your file that you have here on Pages into a Word file, and you can kind of do whatever you want with it. You can go from there and have this now as a Word document. So very simple, very straightforward. Once again, go to the top right, press the three dots, press export, then press on Word. But that's how you guys can export a Pages document as a Word document here on the Pages iPhone application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.